Hi there. It is my belief that your thoughts create your reality. So it's very important what you focus on. And you are the gatekeeper of your mind. And never forget that. What you watch, what you listen to, what you allow into your mind will affect your life experiences. When we have thoughts that are not serving us, there are a few things that we can do, but more about that later. In today's video, I'm going to create a video that's a morning ritual to assist you to start the day with a more positive outlook, to feel more uplifted, to get you in the flow. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Pam Wright. I'm a stress specialist and a happiness facilitator. I help people all over the world to stress less, smile more, and to get their happy back. I create weekly videos to assist people to release their unresolved emotions, their physical conditions, and their traumas, whatever it is that they're struggling with, so that they can open up to the possibility of radiant health, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, you may want to give it a like, you can write a comment, you can even ask questions. All of this helps people that are looking for some assistance to find these videos. You may even want to subscribe. As I mentioned, we can have thoughts that are not serving us. And there's a few things that we can do about that. We can ignore them, we can suppress them, and there's a myriad of ways that we can do that. Or we can take responsibility and face them head on. And that's what a lot of my videos are about. Many people don't want to focus on these so-called negative, uncomfortable feelings and emotions. They believe that by focusing on them, they're giving them more power, and they don't want to do that. They don't want to give them the energy. So they ignore them and they suppress them. But they find that they keep coming up. They keep showing up. They're triggered by something that someone says. They're triggered by an image. They're triggered by so many different things. And I've assisted thousands of people all around the world with chronic illness and chronic stress, and people that are really suffering. And it is my belief that we need to find a balance. If we have a challenge or an issue or a problem, and there's something that we're really struggling with, and it keeps coming up, it comes up every hour, every day, every week, then I believe that we need to face it head on. It's making you feel uncomfortable, negative, you're afraid or you're anxious, then it's time to address it and to clear it out once and for all. And I have a huge range of videos that can assist you with that. But it is also my belief that if we continue looking at what's wrong, we are going to continue to find what's wrong, what's bad, what you need to improve, what you need to fix. And this can keep people stuck for years, always looking to improve themselves, but never satisfied. Morning ritual tapping can be used in the morning or any time during the day. And in this video, we will be tapping to assist you to start your day feeling positive, starting your day in the best way possible. So you may want to take some time now. How is it that you want to be feeling? What outlook do you want? So if you're not sure, just pause the video and think about it for a little while so that it will help you to get into that state, how you want to start your day. Because how you start your day can influence the whole rest of your day and the rest of your life. So we're going to start with things haven't been going so well, just in case they haven't. So you just start tapping and you're thinking about things haven't been so great. I've been struggling to stay positive. But today I'm going to start afresh. Seeing the good in everything. Having great thoughts. Feeling in the flow. Making great choices. Believing it's going to be an amazing day. Expecting a miracle. Feeling good. Uplifted. Motivated. Inspired. Making good choices in every moment. Feeling good for no good reason. Happy. Satisfied. Joyous. Relaxed. In the right place at the right time. Opening to new possibilities. Excited. Watching the world magically unfold before you. Delighted. Taking on the day. Just in a good mood. Grab the wrist. And peace. Okay, let's do it again. So starting afresh. Seeing the good in everything. Having great thoughts. Feeling in the flow. Go with the flow. Making great choices. Believing it's going to be an amazing day. Expecting a miracle. Feeling good. Uplifted. Motivated. Inspired. Making good choices in every moment. Random acts of kindness. Feeling good for no good reason. Feeling happy. Joyous. Relaxed. Calm. Playful. Being in the right place at the right time. Opening to new possibilities. Excited. Watching the world magically unfold before me. Delighted. Taking on the day. Just feeling in a good mood. Everything's gonna work out. I'm okay. Everything's okay. Grab the wrist. Excellent. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to do some havening. And we're going to be focusing on the same things. seeing the good in everything that's happening, having great thoughts, feeling in the flow, making great choices, believing it's going to be an amazing day, expecting miracles, feeling good, uplifted, motivated. What if I could feel inspired, making great choices in every moment, feeling good for no good reason, happy, joyous, relaxed, in the right place at the right time, open to new possibilities, excited, watching the world magically unfold before me, delighted, taking on the day in a good mood. Just checking inside. Notice what you're feeling. Notice everything you're feeling right now. Everything's going to be okay. Everything's going to go right. Go with the flow. That's right. And that's the best way to do it. Just focusing on everything that can go right. Random acts of kindness, generosity. In the flow. Go with the flow. You're in the flow and you go with the flow. That's it. And that's the best way to do it. Sitting where you're sitting. Starting your day. Feeling positive, uplifted, joyous. It's going to be okay. Everything's going to work out. Everything is as it is meant to be. And remember, when we're doing this havening, it's sending delta waves directly to the amygdala, which is in charge of our fight, flight and freeze response within the body. And it puts us back into our parasympathetic nervous system, that rest and digest, that safety. And it is safe to be relaxed and calm and excited about the day. That's right. Good job. Remembering you can do the havening on your face, your hands, or your arms. I just do it on the arms for the videos. I just find it easier. Not as distracting. If you've got a comment you want to add, I read every comment. I love the comments. Or you may even want to subscribe to the channel. All of this helps me, but it also helps all the other people that are looking for assistance to find these videos. Keep tapping.